Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to set up study space on Flow. So here I have took one or two boxes of sari or dress, and I have kept headphone books and like every stationery things, Rubik cube, pen pencils, and everything, etc. One box books and headphone, another some of the stationery things like nail paints, erasers, and glue. And here down I have put one of the mat, and here I have took the stool, and I have kept the stand, DIY stand, and this is my online class tab. I have kept this tab on up of that, and there is main thing is water bottle and one of the pillow and pushers, and that is DIY CD emojis and one of the cardboard. So our study setup is ready. Thank you for watching.